Java program showcasing the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a fundamental programming paradigm that promotes code organization, reusability, and maintainability. The 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, provide a solid foundation for building robust and modular software systems. In this video, we will explore a Java program that exemplifies these 4 pillars. Our program, an online bookstore, will demonstrate how the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming can be effectively applied to create a flexible and extensible software solution. Encapsulation. Encapsulation involves bundling related data and methods together within a class and controlling their access through well-defined interfaces. In our program, we will encapsulate the book-related information within a book class, providing public methods to access and manipulate the data. Inheritance. Inheritance allows us to create new classes based on existing classes, inheriting their properties and behaviors. In our program, we can create specialized book types such as fiction book and non-fiction book by extending the book class. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass, enabling flexibility and dynamic behavior. In our program, we can use polymorphism to handle different book types uniformly, even though they have distinct implementations. In the Bookstore class, the display book information method accepts a book object as a parameter. It can receive any book type, for example, fiction book, non-fiction book, and invoke the display book details methods based on the actual object type. Abstraction involves simplifying complex systems by representing essential features while hiding unnecessary details. In our program, we can abstract the concept of a bookstore as a high-level entity, encapsulating book management operations. The Bookstore service interface defines a contract for managing books in a bookstore. The actual implementation of these methods can be handled in a concrete class. By building the online bookstore program, we have demonstrated how the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming can be effectively employed in a real-world scenario. Understanding and applying these principles in your software development endeavors will help you create more modular, maintainable, and extensible code.